about the Martimas time and the gay time it was then. When our good wife got pudding to make and she's boiled them in the pan.
The wind so cold blew south and north and blew it into the floor. Said our good man to our good wife, get up and bar the door. My honey's in my pocket deep, good man as you may see. And it should not be barred this 100 years, it'll not be barred by me. They made a pact between them two, they made it firm and sure that the first word to her should speak, should rise and bar the other, get up and bar the door.
It fell about the Martimas time and a gay time it was then. When our good wife got pudding to make and she's boiled them in the pan.
Then by there came two gentlemen at 12 o'clock at night, and they could neither see house nor cold candlelight. Now is this a rich man's house, or whether it be a poor? But ne'er a word one of them speak, forbearing of the other. And first they ate the white puddings, and then they ate the black, and very angry the good wife to herself, yet ne'er a word she spake.
Then said the one to the other, here man take him a wife. Do you take off the old man's beard and I'll kiss the good man's wife. But there's no water in the house, and what shall we do then? What else we use the pudding broth that boils into the pan. Oh, what then started the good man, an angry man was he. Will you kiss my wife before my eyes and scald me with pudding broth? Then up and started our good man, gave three skips on the floor. Good man, you spoke. Can the foremost
Wait. There's more.
Get up and bar, get up and bar. Get up and bar, get up and bar the door. Get up and bar, get up and bar. Get up and bar, get up and bar the door.